today I'm in the park, somewhere near at the park, and we're gonna hear some siren tests in nearby behind that house. But the siren should start very soon. It's 14:59 right now. Come on. I'm currently walking. Yeah, the building is right nearby us. Hold on. Okay, there's the park. Siren should begin. There we go! Holy shit, man! This is so loud! Man, getting too close to the siren will sure be very loud if we get too close to that siren. Holy shit, fam, that's extremely loud now. Okay, that stopped now. It should start again soon. There we go, it's going out again! Gonna have to record this with my iPhone 12. Hold on. The siren should begin again soon, I suppose. It won't start again now? No. Okay, I think it's stopped now. Okay, this is S-Class Siren, a homemade electronic siren. Okay, so here's a little air horn signal test, a storm signal for the EE alarm test. Okay, now here's the very deep-toned air horn. This is used from a well in 3000 siren. There we go. Okay, moving on to the next signal. Okay, so this is the 20-second 20-second pause electronic beep foghorn. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be silent for a moment. The other one is gonna come. It's another 1 minute test. Okay, so that's it for all.